In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up digital downloads on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clear path from logging into your store to creating a digital product and configuring download settings so customers can securely receive files right after purchase. Start by heading to shopify.com in your web browser. Using a desktop makes this smoother, especially when you're switching between your admin and the App Store. Once the page loads, click the login button. It's typically at the top right. Sign in with your email or through any available single sign-on option connected to your store. Make sure the account you use has permission to install apps and manage products, since we'll be doing both. Keep your credentials secure and avoid sharing them. With your store open, launch a new browser tab and go to apps.shopify.com. Opening a new tab keeps your admin handy while you browse apps. In the App Store search bar, type digital downloads. You'll see several choices because Shopify relies on apps to deliver files. For this setup, we'll use Pandora Downloads. Open its listing to review key details like pricing, plan compatibility, and recent reviews. Then proceed to install it on your store. Click Install. Select your store if prompted and approve the permissions. This app needs access to orders and products so it can attach files and generate download links for customers. Once the app finishes installing, it will appear in your Shopify admin under Apps. Inside Pandora Downloads, look for the option to create a digital product and click it. You'll be prompted to upload your file. Common formats include PDFs, zip bundles, audio, or video. Keep an eye on any file size guidelines shown by the app. Add a clear title. And if the app asks, connect the file to the corresponding product in your catalog so that purchases generate the correct download link. Write a concise description so customers know exactly what they're getting. Next, configure your download options. Set how customers receive the file, instant download on the order status page, an email with a secure link, or both. Decide on access limits, such as the number of download attempts or an expiration window, to protect your content while staying customer friendly. If available, enable link protection, prevent sharing by limiting IPs or sessions, and choose whether updates to the file should notify past buyers. You can also customize the messaging that appears in emails and on the thank you page to make instructions crystal clear. When everything looks good, save your changes. That's it, your digital product is ready. Review your settings, keep your files organized, and you'll be set to sell and deliver downloads smoothly on Shopify.